Hello students, so as promised earlier in my group of my school, I have promised you to teach the content of Tempest, which is suitable for the students who will be appearing for 2020 to 2021 session. Like the students who will be appearing the board examination of 2021, so this syllabus is for them. And as for the bifurcation of the syllabus, till Act 3rd you all have already completed in 11th स्टैंडर्ड. आपने Act 1 से Act 3rd तक ऑलरेडी अपने 11th स्टैंडर्ड में कंप्लीट कर लिया है और अब 2021 एग्जामिनेशन के लिए इस सेशन के लिए आपको Act 4 से अपनी प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करनी है. नाउ रिगार्डिंग Act 4 आई मस्ट गिव यू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ बैकग्राउंड कि Act 4 जो है वो इस प्ले में ट्विस्ट ऑफ द प्ले बोला जाता है. ठीक है, टेम्पेस्ट में Act 4 is considered as a twist of the play and Act 4 is having only one scene. Now because Act 4 is having only one scene, so that is why the scene is very big and this whole scene is divided into three important parts. ये सीन बहुत बड़ा है और सीन जो है वो बेसिकली 3 important parts में divided है. So before discussing the main content of the text, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि ये जो तीनों इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स हैं ये इक्वली सिग्निफिकेंट हैं बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन के लिए. एंड सेकेंडली जो कॉन्वर्सेशन चल रही है, जो स्पीचेस चल रही हैं कैरेक्टर्स के बीच में, वो हर कॉन्वर्सेशन जो है वो इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट है. पहला पार्ट जो है वो डील करता है प्रॉस्पेरो और फर्डिनेंड की कॉन्वर्सेशन से, जिसमें मिरांडा की भी प्रेजेंस है. दो मिरांडा हैज नॉट स्पोकन एनी स्पीच, बट इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट यू शुड बी अवेयर दैट मिरांडा इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट ऑन द सीन. So basically the first part of the scene deals with the conversation of Prospero with Ferdinand, and this conversation is about Miranda only. Correct? Now the second part of the scene deals with the mask celebration. So this mask celebration is actually the presentation of Prospero's magical art. So he wants to create a mask. He wants to celebrate and he wants to shower blessings over the new couple, that is Ferdinand and Miranda. जो थर्ड पार्ट है सीन का वो डील करता है प्रॉस्पेरो कैसे एनकाउंटर करता है with 3 of his conspirators. So how he encounters, how he punishes 3 of the conspirators, because he already knows that they have planned against his own life. तो प्रॉस्पेरो को क्योंकि ऑलरेडी ये बात पता है कि ये कॉन्स्पिरेटर्स ने, ये तीनों कॉन्स्पिरेटर्स ने उसकी लाइफ के अगेंस्ट कॉन्स्पायर किया है. सो दैट इज वाई ही विद द हेल्प ऑफ एरियल tries to encounter them and punishes them. And who are these 3 conspirators? I hope all of you all must be knowing. They are Caliban, and the other 2 associates are you will come across during the explanation. So these 3 conspirators, they were punished by him. Now because of the presence of mask celebration, इस एक्ट को और इस सीन को मास्क सीन भी बोला जाता है. अब आप का डिस्कशन जो है वो स्टार्ट होगा Act 4 सीन 1 का, जिसमें बेसिकली हम डिस्कस करेंगे थोड़ा सा पोर्शन पार्ट 1 का. करेक्ट? नाउ दिस सीन टेक्स प्लेस बिफोर प्रॉस्पेरो's सेल. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, लेट मी मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड कि जब भी ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है कि वेयर डज द सीन टेक्स प्लेस, तो आपको एग्जैक्ट वही आंसर लिखना होता है विच इज गिवन इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द एक्सप्लेनेशन. जो सीन 1 या सीन 2 या सीन 3 या किसी भी एक्ट के ओपनिंग स्पीच के पहले मेंशन होता है वेयर डज द सीन टेक्स प्लेस, बस वो ही आपको एज एन आंसर मेंशन करना होता है. इफ यू विल राइट समथिंग एल्स यू माइट लूज योर मार्क्स. So this scene takes place before Prospero's cell. Now coming to the content of this text, I hope that you all must be holding your book Atkinson, जो आपको बताई गई थी पहले और जो आपके पास already है. Prospero जो है वो he realizes that he has been very harsh in testing Ferdinand for his love towards Miranda. प्रॉस्पेरो को अब एक एक्नॉलेजमेंट होता है, उसको रियलाइजेशन होता है कि उसने फर्डिनेंड को बहुत हार्ड टास्क्स में डाला और बहुत ही टेरेबल पनिशमेंट उसको दिया, बिकॉज एज अ फादर ही वांटेड टू टेस्ट फर्डिनेंड्स ट्रू लव फॉर मिरांडा. So in his opening speech, जो opening speech जहाँ से start हुआ description, he says, so Prospero is basically talking to Ferdinand. So he says, if I have too austerely punished you, your compensation make amends. Austerely means severely and compensation means reward. अगर मैंने आपको बहुत severely punish किया है तो definitely you will be getting a very big reward from my side, which will be a big compensation for your hard tasks. So Prospero here says that if you feel, Ferdinand, that I have treated you very harshly, so now I am going to compensate you with the biggest reward of your life, and definitely that will improve your hard work. It will be a good gift for your hard work. For I have given you here a third of my own life, because I have decided to offer you the hands of my daughter Miranda, who is supposed to be the most important thing of my life. So a third of my own life means all that I live for. So Prospero in a way is trying to say that Miranda is the most important aspect of his life, because of which he has decided to survive on this deserted island. And now after testing Ferdinand, he feels that Ferdinand will be the suitable partner for Miranda, and I have decided to offer the hand of my daughter, who once again I tender to thy hand. Again he repeats the same thing, and he says that I again say that I want to offer the hand of my daughter to you. All thy vexations were but my trials of thy love. Vexations means troubles. So all the troubles which were given by me to you, जो troubles मैंने आपको दी as a form of punishment, ठीक है, and they were nothing, they were not actually punishments, but they were the real test which I wanted to put you in, has strangely stood the test, and very strangely, strangely here means nobly, very nobly and very bravely you have passed all the tests of love, and thou has strangely stood the test. Here afore heaven I ratify this my rich gift. So here before heaven, heaven here means God. So in front of the God, I promise that I have decided to confirm this rich gift. So ratify here means confirm, and rich gift is referred to Miranda. So according to Prospero, rich gift for him is his own daughter, very precious to him, and he has decided to give it to Ferdinand as his wife. O Ferdinand, do not smile at me that I boast of her. फिर वो फर्डिनेंड से दोबारा ये बात बोलता है कि डोंट स्माइल एट मी, डोंट फील दैट आई एम जस्ट बोस्टिंग अबाउट माई daughter's virtues. I am praising about her. For thou shalt find she will outstrip all praise, because you yourself will realize that my daughter is such a virtuous woman that she has surpassed all the praises, and make it halt behind her. Here in this line, it means, it is a pronoun for praise, and halt means stop. ठीक है? So no praise, even meaning to say all the praise has stopped behind Miranda. तो इस तरह की जो स्पीच होती है जिसमें किसी की क्वालिटी को बहुत ज़्यादा एग्जैजरेट करके बताया जाता है, तो उसको हम हाइपरबोल बोलते हैं. और यहाँ पे शेक्सपियर ने प्रेज को पर्सोनिफाई कर दिया है. मतलब प्रेज इज सच अ क्वालिटी विच हैज स्टॉप्ड behind my daughter. So my daughter is such a praiseworthy woman, and Ferdinand is listening to what Prospero is saying. तो अब ये जो ओपनिंग स्पीच प्रॉस्पेरो की है उसमें आप दो तीन पॉइंट्स को एक बार फिर से रिव्यू कर लीजिए. पहला पॉइंट प्रॉस्पेरो बोलता है कि इन केस इफ फर्डिनेंड फील्स that the punishments given by Prospero to him were very, very strict, very hard, then Prospero wants to compensate, and this compensation will be Miranda given to Ferdinand. ठीक है? So he offers the hand of his own daughter to Ferdinand. Then secondly he says, he talks about the importance of Miranda in his own life. So he says that for me she is a third of my own life, a third of my own life, the most precious woman of my own life. And then lastly he says that she is like a rich gift, which I want to tender you. Tender means offer you. And in the last line he says that even praise will come and stop behind my daughter. Such is my daughter. So my daughter is such a praiseworthy woman. Ferdinand, I do believe it. Ferdinand क्या बोलता है कि yes, I believe it against an oracle. Oracle means voice of God. So even if God will say and speak against Miranda, I will not believe. But I know that Miranda is a praiseworthy woman. So on what thing Ferdinand agrees with Prospero? He agrees that Miranda is a virtuous woman. Then coming to the next big speech of Prospero, Prospero says, then as my gift and thy own acquisition worthily purchased, take my daughter. So now I have decided to gift my own precious daughter to you. Acquisition worthily purchased is an important term, which means a thing which you get with the help of your own efforts. So because you had made worthy efforts, so that is why now you deserve to be married to my daughter. Sit then and talk with her, she is thy own. Now you can sit and you can talk to my daughter, because now we have taken a decision that my daughter will be married to you. Now while talking to Ferdinand, Prospero calls Ariel. As I have told you in the beginning of the video, कि जो second part है वो mask celebration है, and for that Prospero wants to take help of Ariel. तो वो एरियल को बीच में कॉल करता है और उसको अप्रिशिएट करता है और क्या बोलता है, माई इंडस्ट्रियस सर्वेंट एरियल, एरियल प्लीज कम, यू आर माई हार्ड वर्किंग स्लेव. If thou those break her virgin not, again he starts speaking to Ferdinand, and these are very important lines, so you have to focus. If thou those break her virgin not, before all sanctimonious ceremonies may with full and holy rite be ministered, no sweet aspersion shall the heavens let fall. If you will destroy the maidenhood of my daughter before the marriage ceremony is conducted, then in that case your marriage life will be disturbed. There will be no blessings of God in your marriage life, and in fact, to make this contract grow but barren hate, opposite to a happy married life, this marriage will become a reason of hatred. Barren hate means a life of a couple without children. So you will never become parents. You will be leading a life without children. So there will be barren hate in your married life. Sour-eyed disdain. Disdain means hatred. There will be hatred between two of you. Instead of love, instead of understanding, instead of prosperity between two of you, there will be hatred. And discord shall beset you. Discord means conflict. Both of you will always be in conflicting situation. So, and beset you means scatter. So hatred and childlessness, okay, and conflict will be scattered in your marriage life. The union of your bed with weed so loathly that you shall hate it both. Your marriage life will become so hateful that both of you will start hating each other. So this is a big warning by Prospero to Ferdinand. Therefore take heed. So now again he wants, and he says that now you have to pay attention, as Heman lamps shall light you. You have to control your emotions unless and until your marriage ceremony is conducted. Heman in the last line of his speech means God of marriage, and here it has another meaning also, which means which refers to the lamps, the lights of the marriage. So unless and until God, Heman, comes and makes your lights your life with the marriage ceremonies, you are supposed to take care of each other. Then the last speech which I am going to discuss is about Ferdinand. When Ferdinand hears about Prospero's warning, तो Prospero की जो सबसे बड़ी warning है वो क्या है? Not to destroy the virgin not to destroy the innocence of Miranda. उस पर Ferdinand जो है वो अपना assurance देता है, and Ferdinand's assurance is equally important. He says, as I hope for quiet days, fair issues and long life, I am also hoping for quiet days. I am also waiting for happy married life, fair issue here means children. I am also waiting for kids in my life and long prosperous married life. With such love as ties now The murkiest den, the most opportune place. Murkiest means darkest. Den means cave. Opportune means favorable. So even the darkest cave, even the most favorable place, even the strongest suggestion. Suggestion here means temptation. So even the strongest attraction, or verser genius. Verser genius means evil spirit. Even the evil spirit which is present in my personality, in me, shall never melt my honor into lust to take away the edge of that day's celebration. Will never convert my innocent and pure love for Miranda into lust. So this is the assurance given by Ferdinand. The edge of that day's celebration, he says that he is also waiting for a happy married life. He also wants to enjoy the day of his marriage celebration. In the last two lines, you have to be very, very careful, because he says that if I commit such a mistake, तो फर्डिनेंड क्या एश्योरेंस दे रहा है प्रॉस्पेरो को कि इन केस आई डू नॉट फॉलो माई प्रॉमिस, इन केस आई कमिट एनी मिस्टेक, देन Phoebus steeds are founded. Phoebus is referred to sun god. Steeds means horses. So sun god's chariot is moved by horses. So the horses of sun god's chariot, they will lose their balance. Founded means to lose the balance, or night kept chained below. And because the horses of sun god will not be able to move, so in that case what will be the result on the earth? The earth will be covered with darkness. So he himself says that he will be punished, and in fact if his promise will be broken, the whole of the earth will be covered with darkness. So today we will stop here, and these are the three big speeches which you have done, and I will be posting your homework and your worksheet on the WhatsApp group of the class which I have already made. And once again I remind you all to be very, very particular about the text and the explanation and the keywords and the meanings which are given, because in 2021 something is supposed to come, either long question or references, something is supposed to come from this act. The whole of the act is equally important. All the speech are, though the speeches are difficult, but they are very important and you need to prepare it. Okay, thank you.